Bust me gun in a pussy face.
Whoa!
Light up the place.
Bomba clot! I'm water them. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, as you can see, we are Jamaica. We're in Jamaica. We're doing Vybz Kartel, Bududum. Bududum. You know, any cartel drop from now on, I react to it. I'm a fairly new channel. This is my first official cartel by himself. Me react to. Kartel, I'm an artist. Let's not get that straight. Me not pick no side or nothing, but Kartel is my artist from I was a teenager growing up. Kartel. Anyway, we're gonna do Kartel Bududum. It's a new video that just dropped not long ago, like a couple days ago. So without further delay, let's go. Lyricist. Right now he's gonna send me to the dictionary. I know, but I don't have a dictionary, but I have my phone next to me. So hopefully we can get some word out of it.
Yo, Burby. 19 mile. Kill boy from early.
Yo, Burby. 19 mile. Kill boy from early. You see it? English, guys. I'm breaking it down for you guys. Let's go.
Tavan, Bududum. Boss it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly, wait for day, I couldn't cool.
Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Listen, he hasn't even started yet. Tavan, Bududum. Bududum is the sound of the thing. Bam, bam, bam. Some people go, come, pishing, wing, wing, wing. Mine go, Bududum. Bududum. Gun pa my belly. Gun in my waistline. Which part it there? Which part it for there? I couldn't fall, Cub. I couldn't in the cub where you keep the chickens. No. It's gonna be on me. Cause I need my clot. I haven't even started yet. Let's go, bro.
Good, you dead. You should have run. You shouldn't go. Stand by.
The night before. Okay. Before that, him say, good, you dead. You should have run. You shouldn't good. Meaning that you no matter how good you think you is, no matter how good you tell yourself is, you need to run. When you see we strolling into your community, upon the war, let's go. It seems like we're here in a party now. Let's go. Let's see what happens.
Right now, I'm going to play a tune, you know. The baddest artists when Jamaica ever see have some just come artists where they have to go on and them bad artists. I want them. All who say, world boss, put down on the ear. Let me buy the card.
This is thing that is actually going on in a dancehall music, and it's sad. And it's sad to say, I'm not gonna take the side, but this all started when time Kartel started doing one thing out of alliance. Everybody have them own DJ. So the man said I'm gonna pay the baddest artist in a dancehall music ever. Vybz Kartel. Some non-Vybz Kartel fans, which is these guys here, some non-Vybz Kartel fans in the party, they don't like that. Everybody is repping for a camp. Everybody is repping for a side. They say, listen, that can't happen. So obviously, they have baseball bats and they're beating up the DJ. Remember the DJ say, Gaza, you cannot ramp with Gaza people like that. Let's go. Okay, so they beat the DJ, Jamaica call it selector. They beat the selector, and the selector come to the Gaza block to tell the Dan what's going on. Obviously, Kartel at the Gaza G, but Kartel give them hell from cell right now. Kartel is giving them hell from the prison cell. Let's go.
Like they feed the Gaza thing, water though.
Stand by.
Whoa, man, I'm make step. Man, I'm gonna defend that. Make we see. Book, let's go.
Boss me gun in a pussy face.
Whoa.
Light up the place.
Bomba clot. I'm water them. Listen, Kartel, wait. Let me show you again what happened. You see the girl on the back of the bike? You see she on the back of the bike? Watch her. Watch her.
Stand by. Boss me gun.
We laugh. 1, 2, 3.
Taros a light up the place.
Oh,
Clap.
God! She just killed 3 of them on the spot. 3 body lie on the ground. 1, 2, 3. Listen, Kartel always sing and tell you, say, listen, I will send a girl come kill you. I will send a girl come kill you. I will send a girl come kill you when the least expect it. So obviously, after them beat up the guy in the party, the selector, the DJ, at the party, the guy go and tell the boss ride out. The next step, cause we don't waste time over here. Guys, we don't waste time. The next step, come back with a girl on the bike back and shell them out like peanut. Let's go.
Be weak. Boy, if you dead, you feel the greater weight. Play it na your chest, play it na your face. Turn it over this way, be a man asking.
Play it na your chest, play it na your face. Boy, if you dead, you feel man a weight. What I'm saying? I'm getting distracted by the short film that's in the video.
That and clappers if it baby weak.
Louder than clappers if it be. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm breaking.
Taros a light up the place. That and clappers if it baby weak.
The Taros, big belly Taros, light up the place like Christmas light. Cause you know when the gun bust, you know you have sparks that come out of it. That's how I'm attack to the light up the place. And say something else.
Big belly Taros a light up the place. That and clappers if it baby weak.
Louder than clappers. Clappers is like we call it Jamaica. We call it clappers. I don't know what America call it. I don't know what England call it. But we can like firecracker. England say firecracker. Yeah. It's louder than firecracker. Yo, let's go, man. Let's go.
Boy, if you dead, you feel the greater weight. Play it na your chest, play it na your face. Turn it over this way, be a man asking.
Play it na your chest, play it na your face. Turn it over there, so be a man a skate. Kartel have a song on him. Make them little boy skate pan the man. Skate pan the man. Skate. When you run and you fall and you're skating and you're trying not to fall and you put your hand down. That is what is called skating.
Oh, go
1 foot of shoes, be a
on.
girl
So
a
I
scrape.
think go on one night, man. Bowl him say anyway, then soon as dirt, you know. Yeah, man, it's dirt, man.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, so so far, this is what happened so far. After the DJ got beat up, the DJ go link the Dan, which is this guy that's sitting down now. The Dan make the step straight away, never waste no time. The Dan make the step and step on the man them, make the girl them, kill them. See me? Make the girl them dash them away. 3 man get dash away. Then the guys that passed away, yeah, I have to say it, the guys that passed away, friends are making talks, saying anyway they see the Dan and the Gaza family, problem is gonna happen. I know once again the Gaza is not gonna take that. Hey, let's go. So basically, he's telling the Dan what these guys are saying. He's basically telling them what he heard. Anyway, me catch you at dirt, gunshot, gun, dirt, under the dirt, 6'6", yeah.
Boss it up, Bududum.
The boss if you lift up the thing them, lift up the rifle them, lift up everything on this, a long thing, short thing, everything, lift up top. 6 pants, rocket, lift it up, grenade, lift it up, let's go.
Gun pa my belly, wait for day, you cool. Good you dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't good.
So while the enemies are planning a date and a time, once the word reach to the Dan is ready to step right away. So while you're over there planning, I am over here about to wipe you out. That's already.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I'm wondering if there's some subliminal. Me can't talk good. You guys know me can't talk good anyway.
Oh my God. Why would you say that out loud?
Take with myself quick fast. Left the scene and no show me no itch dog.
Woo! Take with myself quick fast. Left the scene, I'm not sure. It's not a movie. Left the scene, it's not a movie. It's not Itch. Who remember the movie Itch with Will Smith tonight? About 10 years ago. Itch. He's using his wordplay. Kartel is a genius. Take with myself, I'm not sure. I'm not itch. Not itching around.
Bill a spliff puff beer smoke. Hide from the dopey peace staff.
Why? Let's step again so quick. Can't I say something before that say?
Bill a spliff puff beer smoke.
Bill a spliff puff beer smoke. Hide from the
dopey peace staff.
Hide from the dopey peace staff. Can't tell you what you say, brother. Yo!
Clothes while I fresh, yeah, my Chris dog. Clean my gun, full the clip, grab me 3-star.
Full my gun, grab me clip, grab me 3-star. The 3-star are the ratchet knife. The ratchet knife that you just see this guy opening. So now, breaking news are in. This is our local news reporter. I forgot his name. He's here and he's reporting the killing that just took place last night and this man.
More if it dead, me not done, but me reach far. Catching badness and nothing weak, boy.
More if it dead, but me not done. Me reach far. Catching peak. Badness. Him say something. Hold on.
More if it dead, me not done, but me reach far. Catching badness and nothing weak, boy.
Let's go again. Let's go.
One Dan, Miss a B, Miss a Miller chat. Umbrella, me a pen, who still a chat.
One badness, Mr. B, Mr. Miller chat. Umbrella, me a pen.
One Dan, Mr. B, Mr. Miller chat.
Mr. B, who is Mr. B? Kartel, I don't know name.
Umbrella, me a pen, who still a chat. Lima pop when the zigga not nigga drop.
So basically, he's calling out a lot of parishes name, of places name. Cause Kartel, I'm making no say, listen, me have links everywhere. I've got links everywhere in the 14 parishes of Jamaica. I have links. I don't think you can either make a chat. Gaza is gonna hear back. Let's go.
Umbrella, me a pen, who still a chat. Lima pop when the zigga not nigga drop.
Lima pop, your limbs are pop, a breaking. When the zigzag, a chop. Red play, man, Jesus Christ.
Dig a hole, bill a box, yeah, I eat that.
Dig a hole, bill a box, yeah, I eat that, man, I eat that.
Boss it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly, wait for day, I couldn't cool. Good you dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't good.
That is my favorite line. That is my favorite line. Gun pa my belly. Wait for there. I couldn't coop. I couldn't in the chicken scoop. I couldn't there. It's not gonna be there. It's got no place there. It had to be on me.
Bududum. Boss it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly, wait for day, I couldn't.
Okay. What's going on here? What's going on here? Really? You really want to go into the middle of the thugs them and do that to them? Done? Wrong move. Wrong time. Wrong smarty. Wrong place. Right time for you, cause you got dead. So basically, he just come to approach the Dan for the area. And he's chatting, listen, no Gaza, listen, shut up, no Gaza, blah, blah, blah. Wrong thing.
Don't say it.
1 foot of shoes, be a gal a scrape.
Whoa! Did you guys see that? Watch this.
1 foot of shoes, be a gal.
Look there. Look there. Bumbleclot.
A scrape. Ochi no take shot, call center lock. Boss it up, Bududum.
Yo, that catch me off guard. Yeah, I knew that they would kill him, but I didn't know there and then it's gonna be a girl killing him again. Can't tell girl him back.
On my belly, wait for day, I couldn't cope. Good you dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't good. Bududum.
Kartel video is like a movie, guys. It's captivates your dog. It captivates you. You have to try to listen to the lyrics and not watch the video. I think I done more of watching the video than breaking down these lyrics, man. Cause there's
Boss it up, Bududum. Gun pa my belly, wait for day, I couldn't cool. Good you dead, you shoulda run, you shouldn't good.
gun pa my belly, wait for day I couldn't cool. That line just resonate with me. The man have some rash rifle in the brother. There's some rifles, bro. The end. Guys, oh! Guys, that does captivate me, guys. That does captivate me. If you're new here, please subscribe. We break down a lot of UK stuff here, and we break down, we're starting on the dancehall side, the reggae side also. We're gonna break down some Jamaican thing as well. So, if you are new here, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you like the video. A link to the full video is gonna be in the description. Also, follow me over on Instagram. A link over there is gonna be there. Kartel, you're too bad. You're too bad, dog. You're too bad, brother. You're too bad, brother. Kartel, basically, Kartel is in prison since 2011. Kartel has been giving them hell from cell. Kartel has been giving them hell from the cell, and it's not with no apology. No apology. Big up. Big up on yourself. Kartel, big up yourself, your dog.